I-EFF ithi ukweseka kwayo I-Palestine kuhambisana nomgomo weqembu wokulwela inkululeko yawo wonke umuntu ophila ngaphansi kwengcindezelo emhlabeni. Sekushone inkumbi zabantu eGaza Strip emva kokubhidwa kodlame phakathi kwezihonga ze-Hamas namasosha akwa-Israel. I-EFF ithi uma ingathatha uhulumeni ngokhetho oluzayo, ngaqinisekisa ukuthi iHamas ithola uxhaso lwekhali kuleli ukuqhubeka nokulwa namasosha ase-Israel.
The EFF, when it takes over next year, is going to arm Hamas and make sure Hamas has got the necessary equipment to fight for their freedom. Netanyahu is a #1 terrorist, and he must be declared everywhere he goes. He must never know peace because he's a #1 world terrorist.
Malema uxeka amaqembu ezombusazwe aseka Israel kanye nezitolo McDonald neWoolworths.
Woolworths has got a responsibility by end of this month to remove every product on their shelves that comes from Israel. If they don't remove products from Israel, we'll go and remove them ourselves. We don't want any product of Israel sold here in South Africa.
Kanti nomholi we-Areta uKhalni House ubeyingxenye ye-Imashi.
In Areta we said we will only identify with those who are true revolutionaries, who want to see our country truly free and who want to see Palestine free.
Malema uthi ngekudala iqembu lizokhipha umyalelo kubalandeli balo mayelana nezitolo ezidayisa impahla evela kwa-Israel.